So to solve this problem, we need to keep in mind that the formula for area is pi times radius squared. So on this first problem, where it says pi is the area of a circle with a radius of 1, if we have a circle and it has a radius of 1, the formula is pi times 1 squared. 1 squared equals 1. And pi times 1 is equal to pi. So it looks like this first one actually works. Pi is the area of a circle with a radius of 1. All right, so let's take a look at the second one here, radius of 2. Now, had this been a radius of 2, everything here would have changed a little bit. We would have had 2 here, and it would have been 2 squared, and that would have been 4, and then it would have been 4 pi. Oh, 4 pi is not correct, so this one will not work. So let's get rid of that one right there. Okay, so pi is the area of a circle with a diameter of 1. Well, let's do this. We'll make our diameter going to be equal to 1, and I'll get rid of these over here. We'll get rid of that. And then if the diameter is equal to 1, that means that the radius is equal to 0.5. Well, that's not going to be enough. We already know the radius needs to be 1, so that won't work. So I can get rid of those. Let's say that I check the next one. We know that that won't work. Let's just start again with this circle. And here's our circle, and it has a diameter of 2. That means the radius is 1, and we already know when we did 1 squared is 1, 1 times pi is pi. So guess what? This one, whoa, wrong one. Let's do this. This one works. So we've got these two so far. Okay, now we're talking about constant proportionality. Constant proportionality has to do with when you multiply something by something else the same. We're going to multiply pi the same time. So do you multiply pi times the radius to get the circumference? No, I don't think you do. So that one won't work. You multiply pi times the diameter to get the circumference. Let's try this one. Pi is the constant proportionality relating the diameter to the area. No, that one won't work either. So it looks like it's just these two choices.